If I O, lesson number 4, English to Mien. Now that you know how to ask in 3 different ways the definition of a Mien word, the next thing you're going to want to know how to ask is, please, could you say that again slower? Because many times, the first time someone tells you what a word means, you're not going to capture it or understand it 100%. So, this is how it goes. To en kong sung don te. Please, could you say that again slower? To en kong sung don te. Yao ting an.